how to use ChatGPT 4 for free without logging in. If you want to use the ChatGPT 4, which is the latest GPT model from ChatGPT, but you don't actually want to log in and use with a certain account. So if I open my browser and I go to chatgpt.com, you can see I'm not currently logged into my account. Now I can still converse with the ChatGPT AI as usual, but then the model is going to be limited. So it's not going to be a completely newer model, though to a certain degree it will actually communicate using the latest model. Now ChatGPT currently in this update, they don't make it clear what model am I currently using with. Now ChatGPT 4 is itself not a free model. So not just talking about not logging in, even if you log in but you don't have a premium subscription, you only have a free account, then in that case still you'll not be able to access ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 5, which is their other versions as well. So I hope that this video helped you understand what are the things that you can do in this case. If you have got any further questions, do make sure to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.